In modern warfare, control of the sky often decides the outcome on the ground. Among all aerial machines, military helicopters hold a unique and deadly position. In this video, we will explore 20 military helicopters from 20 different countries, each with its own design philosophy, combat role, and operational strength. This is a journey through engineering, strategy, and air power. Welcome to the world of military helicopters.
United States. AH-64 Apache. The AH-64 Apache is one of the most powerful attack helicopters ever built. Designed for frontline combat, it combines heavy firepower, advanced sensors, and exceptional survivability. Armed with a 30mm chain gun, Hellfire missiles, and rockets, the Apache can destroy tanks and fortified targets with precision. Its advanced radar allows it to fight day or night in any weather. Battle-tested across multiple wars, the Apache remains a symbol of American air dominance. Russia. Mi-24 Hind. The Mi-24 Hind is a legendary Soviet-era helicopter known as the Flying Tank. It combines the role of an attack helicopter and a troop carrier. Heavily armored and extremely durable, the Hind can deliver rockets, cannons, and anti-tank missiles while also transporting soldiers. Its intimidating design and battlefield toughness made it famous during Cold War conflicts and beyond. France. Eurocopter Tiger. The Eurocopter Tiger is a modern European attack helicopter built for speed, agility, and precision. Lightweight yet lethal, it uses advanced sensors and guided missiles to strike targets quickly. Rather than relying on heavy armor, the Tiger focuses on intelligence-driven warfare and rapid maneuvering, making it ideal for modern combat environments. Germany. CH-53G Stallion. The CH-53G Stallion is a heavy-lift transport helicopter used by Germany. Its main role is moving troops, vehicles, and supplies over long distances. Known for its strength and reliability, it performs critical missions in combat support, disaster relief, and humanitarian operations. This helicopter proves that logistics are just as important as firepower. United Kingdom. Westland Apache. The Westland Apache is the British variant of the American Apache, modified for UK military needs. It features advanced avionics and can operate from land or naval platforms. Used extensively in combat operations, it provides close air support with devastating accuracy and reliability. China. Z-10 Attack Helicopter. China's Z-10 is a dedicated attack helicopter developed to support ground forces. It is equipped with modern avionics, guided missiles, rockets, and a cannon. Designed for anti-armor and close air support missions, the Z-10 represents China's growing focus on modern, technology-based warfare. Japan. Kawasaki OH-1 Ninja. The Kawasaki OH-1 Ninja is a lightweight reconnaissance and attack helicopter developed by Japan. Known for its stealthy design and advanced electronics, it is optimized for battlefield surveillance and rapid response missions. Its agility and precision make it highly effective in defensive operations. India. HAL Prachand, LCH. HAL Prachand is India's indigenous light combat helicopter. Designed for high-altitude warfare, it can operate in extreme conditions where many helicopters cannot. Armed with missiles, rockets, and a cannon, Prachand symbolizes India's growing self-reliance in defense technology. Turkey. T-129 ATAK. The T-129 ATAK is Turkey's modern attack helicopter developed for anti-tank and close air support roles. Fast, agile, and heavily armed, It is designed to operate in hot and high environments. The ATAK plays a key role in Turkey's domestic and regional defense strategy. Italy. AW-129 Mangusta. The AW-129 Mangusta was one of the world's first dedicated attack helicopters. Designed for agility and precision, it focuses on anti-tank warfare and reconnaissance. Its compact design and advanced targeting systems make it effective in modern battlefields. Spain. EC-665 Tiger. Spain operates the EC-665 Tiger as a frontline attack helicopter. Known for its advanced sensors and precision weapons, it excels in coordinated air-ground missions. The Tiger enhances Spain's ability to conduct modern joint military operations. Israel. AH-64D Saraf. The AH-64D Saraf is Israel's customized Apache. Enhanced with locally developed electronics and weapons, it is optimized for rapid response and precision strikes. The Saraf plays a crucial role in Israel's air defense and counter-terror operations. Pakistan. Z-10ME. The Z-10ME is a modernized version of China's Z-10, operated by Pakistan. It features improved engines and protection systems. Designed for anti-armor warfare, it strengthens Pakistan's attack helicopter capabilities. South Korea. KAI Surion. The KAI Surion is a multi-role helicopter developed by South Korea. It is used for troop transport, medical evacuation, and special missions. Reliable and versatile, the Surion reflects South Korea's growing aerospace industry. Brazil. Helibras H-225M. The H-225M is a versatile military helicopter used by Brazil for transport, search and rescue, and special operations. With long range and heavy payload capacity, it is vital for operations across Brazil's vast terrain.
Iran. Shahed 285. The Shahed 285 is a lightweight Iranian attack and reconnaissance helicopter. Built for asymmetric warfare, it carries light weapons and focuses on mobility rather than heavy armor. Ukraine. Mi-8 MSB. The Mi-8 MSB is an upgraded version of the famous Mi-8 helicopter. Used for transport and combat support, it is known for durability and adaptability in harsh conditions. South Africa. Denel Rooivalk. The Denel Rooivalk is a powerful African-designed attack helicopter. Built for tough environments, it combines heavy weapons, strong armor, and long endurance, making it ideal for close air support missions. Sweden. NH-90. The NH-90 is a modern multi-role helicopter used by Sweden. It performs transport, naval, and rescue missions. Advanced avionics and flexibility make it suitable for both military and humanitarian roles. Australia. MRH-90 Taipan. The MRH-90 Taipan is Australia's military transport helicopter. Designed for troop movement and support missions, it operates from land and sea. Its modern systems enhance Australia's rapid deployment capabilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through 20 military helicopters from 20 countries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to explore more aviation and military content.